how to log in to Mem AI application. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily log in or sign in to your existing Mem account with a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the Mem application on your smartphone, and once you are inside this welcome screen, tap on Sign in with Google or Sign in with Apple. Make sure to select the same method that you previously chose while signing up or getting started with Mem AI. Since I created an account with Google, I'm gonna tap on Sign in with Google and click Continue. This will take you to this page from where you can choose your Google account. If you want to add a new account or log in with another account that is not here, tap on Use Another Account and then enter your email address or phone number associated with your Mem AI account. After typing down your email or phone number, on the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type it down and then you will be logged into your account just like that. So there you have it. That is how you easily log into your Mem AI account, whether you've signed in with Google or with your Apple ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you.